Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to download export customer list from Stan Store. So if you want to download or export your customer list from Stan Store, here's a quick guide for that. So the first thing to do is to log into your Stan Store. So go to the Stan Store in your browser and sign in into your account. Then the next thing to do is to go to your dashboard. So from your home page, click on dashboard, then find and click customers or customers list in the side menu. Then you view all the customers. So from there you will see a list of everyone who has made a purchase or sign up through your Stan Store. Then after that you can click export just to export the file. So look for the export button or download CSV button, usually found at the top right of your customers list. Then from there click it and your customer list will download as a CSV file to your device. And that's how you can easily download export or export the customers list from your Stan Store. And also you should have this at the back of your mind that you can open the CSV file in Excel or Google Sheet to view or organize your customers data. And that's how you can easily download or export customers list in Stan Store. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more.